I forget, I got this little thing right here. This is a portable dishwasher. Someone was giving it away for free because they couldn't figure out how to like fix it. There's all of my coffee stuff. I need to buy the front panel for it, and all it needs is a hose. So I was like, yo, so we got it. Right now I'm using it as a drying rack. But I plugged it in, everything works. I just need to connect the hose to it and we are good to go. But I love it because it has this like wood top thingy, and I decided to put the Keurig here just because now I have all this counter space back. But these are all the dishes that I have to do. I had a pan soaking overnight. That pan is just like shot to crap already. I need to buy a new one, like seriously. This little guy right here, I bought this from Target and I hate it. I only got it because there was a deal on it with Cartwheel and for Ibotta, but I can't stand it. Like, I'm trying to get through it as quickly as I can because I don't like it. This is the brand that I used in my last video, and this is what I do like, so I'm gonna go back this weekend and buy that. But I've got some sweeping to do. I moved my trash cans down here because Lola kept getting into them, and this is the hot mess of a living room. So as you can see, this is what's serving as our entertainment center for the time being, but this weekend I'm probably just gonna go buy the other one. I was trying to find something to where I could take these cords and hide them because for some reason the plugins are up there. Sorry, Jace, and it's really weird. Jace is watching YouTube right now. And yeah, it's a hot mess. Like Jace's toys, he's got overflowing toys. There's toys on the floor. He messed up my couch cover because this couch we also got for free. Y'all, let me tell you something. I am very big on thrifting. So if you can find things that are functional for you, especially if you're balling on a budget, take them, repurpose them. This couch, the bottom part of it was kind of chipping a little bit, so I ordered this couch cover on Amazon. I just threw it on the top of it. It looks really nice when Jace hasn't destroyed it. I got this piece over here from a lady. I was gonna use it as like a little coffee station, but I kind of liked it better here in the corner, and I want to get a little plant to put back there. Jace's toys I would like to put in a more functional place, but this is just what it is for now. My chair over here I also got from someone for $5. I need to clean it. Jace was over here eating, and there's a little footstool over there that goes with it. Chris's guitar, I need to get a wall mount for it. And again, look, I don't know why are these up so high? It's so annoying. I've got boxes here from my monitor. I just put in my computer desk over here. My computer desk is a hot mess. This is a little cheapy chair I got from Walmart. I plan on painting it. Look, the sticker's still on there. It was on sale, $11. I plan on painting it and putting a different cushion on here just to, you know, repurpose things. And my parents sent me my Mac Mini from home and my monitor, and I have all of my new software on here. I'm editing right now. And this is the area over here, there's Lola, that is just a mess. Like, look, it's just a hot mess. All of our shoes over here are all over the place. Chris's boots, like, it's a mess. It's a mess, girl. Oh my gosh. This was supposed to go into the garage like forever ago. I was telling Chris I needed to go into the garage, but he didn't do it. Probably forgot because it's hidden over here. So this is what I have to deal with. So it might be a bit of a lengthy video. I'm going to time lapse it just so I go through everything really quickly because I have been babbling on here for a while. So yeah, I'm going to get started on cleaning and drinking my coffee. I forgot to take my supplements. Let's go. Let's start cleaning. Let's go. Right, Lola? Are you ready to clean? Are you ready to clean? So I'm time-lapsing pretty quickly through all of this because it took a hot minute for me to get everything in this kitchen cleaned up. And this video would have been 1,000 years long. So I am just putting away the dishes that were drying in the dishwasher, and now I'm getting ready to wash all of these dishes. I do hate that I only have one basin for my sink because I can't like soak one on the other side and then put the rest of it on the other as I rinse it like I did when I was growing up, but that is okay It helps me out a lot now that I have this portable dishwasher, so after I rinse, I can just pop behind me and stick everything in there to let it dry. I was able to go to Target and I picked up some walnut scrubbing sponges. I'll link them down below, as well as a bamboo brush. I still haven't found a cup cleaner that I like more than this one. I get this one just from Dollar Tree, and we use them for Chris's craft beer glasses and our glass cups just because they are kind of like oddly shaped. Of course, here's Jace going into the fridge getting some milk. And right now I'm washing out my Tupperware. I only have one glass Tupperware right now. Let me know or like this video if you have a Tupperware elf that somehow takes and steals all of your Tupperware. I'm pretty sure they disappear between here and my husband's job, but I don't know. They seem like they always disappear from my house. So now I am cleaning out my milk frother. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But you have to be really careful with it. You have to make sure that you do not get the bottom part of it wet. Now I did dump some baking powder in the sink, and I use a different sponge to kind of scrub around the sink just to get it nice and clean. And then I'm wiping it off with a microfiber cloth. This one I kind of used it pretty heavily right here. So after I am done cleaning off the stove, I did toss it over into the living room to put in the dirty clothes basket because it was pretty janky already. This is still the same multi-surface cleaner that I used in my last video from Everspring from Target. And like I mentioned, I do really like it. I really like it. I think I'm gonna stick to this brand for a little while. I'm gonna be doing a video about my coffee station. I haven't decided exactly what I want to put over there. I have a couple of things pinned for some ideas, so I will be uploading a video once I update my coffee station. Now over here, I'm just reorganizing the Tupperware and the bowls that I have here. I did move my trash cans, like I mentioned, because Lola kept trying to get into them. And eventually I'll make this area a little more functional for my liking. But for right now, this works. It's kind of an eyesore, but as soon as I get some more storage bins, it'll look a lot nicer. And of course, I'm over there watching a cleaning video. Jace needed a snack. He adores turkey or any kind of lunch meat, so I just rolled him up some turkey breast, chopped him up some strawberries, and gave him a yogurt. Now, here is my hot mess of a living room. That window that you see there is a storage space that we have out there, and it is a hot mess. I'll eventually clean that area out, but it leads down into our basement, and we've been having trouble with moisture and water down in our basement, so I haven't really been able to do much down there. I am dusting off our makeshift entertainment center. Hopefully this weekend I'll be going to pick out the cubed shelving unit to use as our entertainment center because I just can't find anything else I like. And I'm just cleaning off this area over here that has my jewelry box, this little candle my mom got me, and my books. I typically pick everything up and wipe it off up underneath the Xbox, but Jace was watching something and I didn't want it to mess up and then him have a heart attack. He was probably already having a heart attack because I took the controller away from him. But I had to move the couch out because there was just toys here behind the couch, and Jace was not being much of a help. He was just kind of all over the place. I told him we were going to go to the park, so he was already kind of over it and wanted to go to the park. But I'm just sweeping up here behind the couch. There's so much dust. I'm telling you, my house was just a hot piping mess, a hot mess. That's probably why it took me 2 days to get this all done, because I really wanted to make sure I deep cleaned. And I have my phone in my back pocket because I talk to my mom like all day, every day. Ever since I moved out of the house when I was 18, there hasn't been a day where I haven't talked to my mom. Well, so today is the next day. I got really busy yesterday after I cleaned everything here in the living room. He wanted my attention, so we played and FaceTimed my mom and stuff. So I'm going to tackle that area today and show you guys how I reorganize that area over there. I don't have the shoe organizer that I want just yet, so I'm just going to kind of lay all of the shoes out there in the closet and just like sweep and everything over there. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. I might stick in a couple voiceovers here and there because I don't want to do another outro. I'd rather just show you guys my finished product over there and end the video, because I know this one is already super long, but I have a lot of cleaning to do. So let's go ahead and tackle that area over there, and then we will be done. We'll be done. Okay, this is kind of my problem area of the house because we go in and out of the front door, and Lola likes to hang out over here. So there's always dirt and dog hair and stuff, and I'm just taking out our tent and our fishing poles into the garage because I couldn't stand to wait for my husband to take them over there. And I had a whole bunch of paperwork and folders and stuff over here that was from the school year that I didn't need anymore. I made sure they were all full so I could just throw them away and not recycle them for the next year. I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of our shoes from over here in this space. I eventually want to repurpose this space and put in a shoe rack, but I haven't found one that fits just yet. There's a lot of shoes over here, fair warning. I used to have a much worse shoe problem, but I've gotten better, but still quite a few shoes. I also have all of our coats over here. I would eventually like to take our winter coats and put them in a bin in the garage, but I haven't gotten around to it. So I'm just sweeping out the closet over here. Look at all of that. Look at that. Y'all, this is real life. This is a lot. All of this dust and dirt. It's so bad. So I'm vacuuming over here. Every time I mop, I feel like it's just so useless because within a day, it's already terrible over here. Because like I said, we go in and out of the house. We don't take Lola out the back door because there's more dirt at the back door. So it's just a never-ending battle. So I finished mopping and I went ahead and I put all of our shoes back over here. I did end up moving the shoes that I left out of the closet back into the closet because Miss Lola gets ornery and likes to chew. So this was the last bit of this cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a long one. And thank you so much for the continued love and support. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation and you'll be tackling your hot mess of a house just like I did. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.